acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today and pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Hello Fleetwooders, and welcome to our final week of term. And what an interesting term it has been. Not the term that we were thinking of. We thought we'd all be face to face seeing each other each day. Instead, we've been at home for most of the term during the 2 lockdowns, and we have to say thank you for your hard work to all the students, hard work to all the families supporting their students, hard work to all of our staff. And finally, we can have 2 weeks off. Maybe not to do too much, but at least there's no Google Classrooms and things, just to have a break from that. We're not sure what next term will look like, though we cannot wait till we can finally be back together again. In the meantime, being the final week of this term, term 3, we have got footy day that we've had during the week, and although I guess we can guess what team I go for. It's not Richmond in the grand final this year, but it's very exciting to have Melbourne and the Bulldogs. Who are you going for? So think about that one. We'll see who the Turtles going for. It's a pretty exciting week for a lot of people. I'm hoping students that you've got to do some of the activities on our footy day, and that you did some of those cool tricks. Maybe I might share one of mine throughout this assembly that we've got coming up. I would just want to share with you as well, one of the top that I'm wearing is pretty cool because it's actually signed by Dusty Martin. So this is one of my favourite tops that I don't wear very often. But hope you got your gear on this week and you're enjoying the fun of what is the last week of term. Look forward to seeing you at the end, and enjoy the jam-packed assembly that we have this week.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Cuss and I'm here to do our end of term awards. So for our first category for academic awards, we have Bryson from FM. From F1M we have Kiara. From 1L we have Halo. From 12AM we have Sasaru. From 2M we have Arabella. From 3R we have Liana. From 3-4P we have Assis. From 4D we have Eliana. From 4R we have Charlotte. From 5D we have Yoni. From 5C we have Ben. From 6R we have James, and from 6G we have Astrid. For our next category we have a School-Wide Positive Behaviour Support Award, so SWPBS. These children have been displaying fantastic behaviours relating to being respectful, being responsible and being safe. We have Yelda from FM, Jade from F1M, Ayla from 1L, Sienna from 12AM, Amina from 2M, Marley Lee from 3R, Dia from 3-4P, Savannah from 4D, Caitlin from 4R, Zoe from 5D, Hassan from 5C, Samuel from 6R, and lastly Phoenix from 6G. Right, for our next category, it's the growth mindset. So this is people who have really pushed themselves to grow in a certain area at school. We've got Alicia in FM, Mirage in F1M, Narike in 1L, Ethan in 12AM, James in 2M, Alina in 3R, Depisha in 3-4P, Ebony Rose in 4D, Eleanor in 4R, Hussein in 5D, Aisha in 5C, Promise in 6R, and lastly Charlotte in 6G.
Hi guys, Mr. Connick here to read out the Junior School Digital Learning Awards. Everyone's done such a great job, okay, and I'm really proud of all of you and all your hard work in digital learnings. However, in particular in FM, Abby M has done an exceptional job. In F1M, Thomas C has done an exceptional job. In 1L, Kafil has outdone himself. And in 1-2AM, Vinny has done great work in digital technologies. And finally, in 2M, Hamilton L has done a great job in digital technologies so far. Like I said, well done to those winners. Everyone's done a great job. So thanks very much, guys.
Hey guys, how you going?
Good.
I just want to ask you about what some of the things we did this term to promote school-wide positive behaviour.
We did little respectful behaviors that we had every week to do.
So what was this week's behaviour of the week?
We arrived online on time.
Hey, it's a great respectful behaviour. Yeah. What else did we do? Rach, do you know?
How are you rewarded for your positive behaviour when you're at school and also doing remote learning, girls?
Power-ups.
Hey, explain more about those what happens with power-ups?
You get rewards, and with the power-ups you can get other fun things to do with them.
Yeah, great job. Well, thanks for helping explain our school-wide positive behaviour. I'm really looking forward to getting back next term and we can do more of it. Thanks, guys.
Great job this term, Fleetwood. Have a safe holidays.
Happy holidays. I hope we come back to school in term 4. Pretty unlikely, but hopefully soon.
Have a great holidays, everyone.
Stay safe.
Happy holidays.
Goodbye to you all. I guess most of you have heard by now that at the end of this term I will be finishing up at Fleetwood Primary School and moving on to a new job in another school. I'm really looking forward to a new challenge, but I'm also leaving feeling very sad because I have been at Fleetwood Primary School as a teacher and then as assistant principal for a very, very long time. And I've worked with lots of you current and past students and your families, and I've really loved every minute of being at this school. I would have loved to have been able to say goodbye to you personally, but because of COVID we're still all in this remote situation. So at least I'm grateful for the opportunity to say goodbye to you this way and wish you all the best going into the future. Goodbye and good luck everyone, and thank you for the wonderful time that I've had at Fleetwood.
Hi Miss Woods, you've been nice and kind in the school. I
hope you have a nice day in your new school. I miss you. Miss Woods, I hope you have a great time at your new school. I'll miss you. You've been the best vice principal. I'll see you if you visit. Bye, Miss Wood.
I'll miss you. Thank you for being the best, Miss Wood. We'll miss you lots. Good luck.
You've been the best vice principal at the school. I hope you enjoy your new school. Bye, Miss Woods. You're the best vice principal, Miss Woods. You're the best.
I hope you have a really wonderful time with your retirement, and I'll see you when you visit. Thank you for being the best vice principal you could be, Miss Woods. I'm gonna miss you a lot. Bye, Miss Woods.
I love how you made us all smile.
I love how you were always caring no matter the situation.
I love how you were really nice.
I love how you always helped us.
I love how you were kind.
I like how you were kind.
I liked how you always were really helpful and you fixed a lot of problems.
I like how you were super funny. I like how you were super happy all the time.
I like how you always came to school with a smile.
I like how you were always fun. We will miss you. I will miss you.
I like how you are kind.
I like how you always listened to everyone.
I like how you're very caring and helpful.
I like how you helped with school.
I like that you were very kind of funny.
I like how Miss Woods always has time to listen to everybody.
I've been lucky enough to teach with Mrs. Woods for just over 20 years. My favourite memories would easily be the school camps we've been on. So many laughs and good memories. The city camp where we'd squash into the trams and have to count all the kids, make sure we didn't lose anyone. And the Wilson's prom camps where she would serve the best Italian food with the worst Italian accent. Thank you so much for everything you've done for Fleetwood, Helene. The staff, the students, the parents, thank you. You'll be greatly missed.
I would like to say a very big congratulations to Helene on her time at Fleetwood Primary School. In the short time I've been here, I've heard of such a great positive impact you've had on this school community, on the children and on the staff. I wish you all the best for your new adventure, and I can't wait for the next time the Bombers beat the Tigers. All the best.
Helene is a very talented woman with lots of hats, and I have 3 hats for Helene. Hat 1 is work colleague. Helene's been the most inspiring person to work with. She always sees the good in everybody and everybody's equal. Working closely with Helene in the office has been so much fun, but one of my fondest memories is Helene walking in the office saying, "What's for lunch, girls? I could eat the backside out of a low-flying duck." And if shoes make the person, then Helene's covered. She puts Imelda Marcos to shame. Hat 2 for Helene is the teacher. Helene has had the experience of having 2 of my own kids, Melissa and Rodney, and she kept teaching even after that. But she was an amazing teacher, always loved by all the kids. She was amazing with the big kids, and I don't know who got in more trouble on camps and excursions, the kids or Helene. Not many teachers can say they work with one of their students, Helene being AP and Melissa being a business manager. Hat 3 for Helene, and the most important hat of all, is a friend. We've known Helene and her family for over 25 years, and at least we have enjoyed lots of ups and downs with many laughs in between. Helene has always been a tower of strength and an ear that would always listen with no judgment. Even through her own tough days, she always made sure I was okay. It's an end of an era for Fleetwood, but it's not by. It's moving on to new adventures and some me time for Helene that she deserves. Gonna miss your guts, Helene.
Wishing you all the best, Mrs. Woods. We'll definitely be missing you. Good luck. All the best. We love you.
Hey Helene, wishing you all the best. Just wanted to say that my first memories of you in 2002 were that you were the boss of the grade 6s at Hallam Valley. You wore power suits, you wore high heels, you were such an inspiration, such a role model, and you just continued to be an amazing support throughout my whole journey at this school. You will be very much missed, and we really hope that you come and visit us soon. Take care, and we all love you. Bye.
Have a great holiday and stay safe. Bye. Bye.
Enjoy your break. See you soon.
Hi everyone, Akira and I wish you all a very safe and happy holiday, and we'll see you back in Term 4. Bye.
Have a happy and safe holiday, everyone. Bye.
Awesome work getting through online learning this term. I hope you have a fantastic holiday. I'll be spending time walking my dog and enjoying some sunshine.
Hey everyone, well done getting through such a tough term. Enjoy your 2 weeks off and can't wait to see you all next term.
Hey everyone, great job getting through another term of online learning. Have a great break and we'll see you next term.
Oh, hey Fleetwood. Didn't see you there. Have a really nice holiday and take it easy, okay? You've done it really, really well and you've all worked super hard. Super hard. Okay? Stay safe. Have a good holiday. Hopefully see you real soon at school.
Hey everyone, that brings us to our final assembly for Term 3. There was a lot in there. A special farewell to Mrs. Woods. Although I didn't get to work with you directly, we've communicated quite a lot in the last 2 terms, and we're wishing you all the best for your future endeavours. I think a lot of staff and students and families, the community will be very sad to see you go, but very happy for you as well. Wishing everyone a safe break. Obviously frustrating that we can't do as much as what we'd like to, but please enjoy yourself. Treat yourselves a little bit where you can. Hopefully we've got some nice weather coming up so we can just be outdoors and off our devices and enjoying our time. Take care everybody, and we'll see you, whether it's through the computer screen or face to face, for the start of next term.